welcome, first of all, to the Launchpad. We appointed the Launchpad. This has been 6 months, actually about 9 months of All Real Radio's inception. We launched in June. Our slogan, "We make the world better," my daughter Tonight came up with that. First we were like the sound of the people, and then she was like naming all the things that we were doing, and she was like, "Well, Baba, won't that make the world better?" And I was like, "Yeah." And she was like, "All Real Radio, we make the world better." Shout out to Sister Ren and her family from Classics and Midtown Mobile Cuisine. The mural was done by Brother Roberto Castillo. The big art piece with the brother that looks like graffiti is Brother Danny Daigle. The wall is Brother Jaja Gray. There's Archie Bell in the house with us, Archie Bell and the Drills. This is where it's going to be. This is our satellite space we'll be broadcasting live from. We'll be hosting events here. We'll be hosting talk circles here. Things that can, God willing, help heal and add on to what this community needs and what it already is. We're a resource, so you know, if you have some positive ideas, that's what we call it the Launchpad. That's where ideas can spark. We're gonna cut this ribbon just to be like, it's going down, to go back up again, right? Yeah. We're in that thing. Let's go. Can we have a party? Can we have a party? Yeah!
I've always felt that overexposure never looks good on or within people. I can't keep filtering my inner image so a stranger can like the edited version of a photo of me from last.
When the 7th trumpet sound, we gon' start the revolution. When we turn up, we shut it down. We are Skywalkers, indigo daughters, sons of holy water. If patience is a virtue, then a high time is an honor. For those who seek the truth and need some light to help them conquer, no darkness falls.
Baby, can we just share these memories? Can I hold your hand while you're next to me? You know I'll be on my grind and it's a bummer, but whenever I look in your eyes, it feels like summer all over again. I swear that it feels like our very first summer all over again. You know I'll be on my grind and it's a bummer, but whenever I look in your eyes, it feels like summer, babe.
I gotta dig so deep, I'm gonna find it today. I'm gonna search high and low. I'm gonna find my way. Gonna search for happiness. Gonna search for happiness. Gonna search for happiness. Gonna search for happiness.
Got my body straight shook from you, and you talk sweetly, baby. Tell me something good with ya. Need my fix of you like right this very moment. And if you didn't know, I think you're so delectable. And you should know, a taste of you into Candyland I go. She fresh like candy cane.